Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are here at the bird park in the Ubud. It is very famous here. Here is a lot of kind of bird. I'm gonna go in the park and see how many birds can I see today. So I will show you. And I just buy this ticket. Here is nothing is free when you are going to visit some place. Everything is chargeable. So make sure when you come and visit some place, you can check the visiting cost, how much it is. So I'm gonna show you. I just buy 2 tickets. It is cost 200,000 rupiah. It is 100,000 per person. So I just buy 2 tickets, and it is a map to visit inside the park. You can visit everywhere very easily. So now we are at the entrance gate. So now we are going inside and see how it is gonna look. And one thing, when we are enter the park, they can shoot your photo, and if you want to take a photo, you can pay a little bit money and take photos. So let's go, and I am going inside. After exploring a little bit the park, the bird park, now I experience the bird are standing on my hand, and one man who is walking inside, they are coming, he is coming, and he put the bird on my hand. It is very amazing. People are playing with the bird, and we are also coming here, and you can see they are on my hand, and they are very friendly. They are not going to bite me. You can see the green one is the king parrot. It is a male, and the red one is his wife. Yeah, his wife. And here is also some bird. When I am coming this close to this bird, she is flying me to bite me. You can see. Don't know. Now she is very calm right now. So I just explored 2% of the bird park. Now we are going to explore more. So let's go. When we are walking in the bird park, we just see the one dragon. It is called Komodo dragon. It is very huge. I never seen in my real life. First time I see this, and I just sit on the wall. I am scared little bit. If I am gonna fall, they gonna bite me. So you can see behind me the Komodo dragon. Check it out. I just found a national bird of India. You can see the peacock. She is looking very, very beautiful. I love this moment, yeah, because I just see a lot of birds in a live way. So yeah, we are happy to see. Okay, so this is the forest area we are going, and where we are going. Really, it is so pretty. Oh my god, I love this sound. It is
That's
a
the
peacock.
peacock.
Fowl. Yeah. Nice view. Hello guys, I meet my best friend in the park, so I'm gonna walk with him. Come. What is your name, friend? Alfred. Your name is Alfred.
Bye, Alfred.
Bye.
Bye.
It is a bird house. Birds are living inside when rain is coming. Nothing is here. But it is a bird house. We just found this bird. This bird is from Australian bird. The name is falcon bird, and this time they are breeding cycling. So that's why we can't go close to them. They are very aggressive right now. So nobody is going inside this area. You can see they are fighting. They are having something. I don't know. I can't say. Yeah, it is very rare bird in the world. It's only found in the Australia. So yeah, we are very happy to see this bird here in Bali. After bird park tour, we are here at the restaurant. We decided to eat food because we are very hungry. We did not eat any food when we left our room in the morning time. So we decided to eat local foods here. It's called nasi goreng. Usually it's cooked from rice, vegetables, chicken and omelette. It is kind of, in India we are eating like chicken biryani, vegetable biryani kind of. They are cooking like that. But it is a Balinese style, not an Indian style. So let's see how is the taste. And I ordered papaya juice, so I'm gonna taste how it is. So let's taste it. Wow, I failed. It is very full, so
Refreshing.
yeah, very good. It is a little bit spicy and very tasty like Indian food. A little bit similar to Indian food, but it is awesome.
बहुत स्वादिष्ट.
बहुत स्वादिष्ट. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share this video to friends and family, and also hit the bell icon to get a notification when I upload the video. Thank you so much.